Looking for the best face serum in 2024? In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 face serums that can transform your skin, giving you a radiant, youthful glow. Whether you're looking for hydration, anti-aging, or brightening, we got you covered. Number 5. The Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum delivers deep hydration with a lightweight, non-greasy formula that suits all skin types. It features 1% hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture and restore skin's natural suppleness and firmness. The serum penetrates multiple layers, thanks to its dual molecular formula, ensuring long-lasting hydration that plumps the skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines. This serum is gentle enough for sensitive skin, yet powerful in its results. It has a pH of 5.8, is vegan, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and cruelty-free, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a clean, effective skincare product. Users love its fast-absorbing, non-tacky texture and appreciate that it preps the skin well for moisturizers and makeup. With consistent use, you'll notice softer, smoother, and more hydrated skin. Apply a few drops on damp skin both morning and night for the best results. This serum is also affordable, making it a must-have addition to your skincare routine. For those with dry or dehydrated skin, the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum is an ideal choice for radiant, refreshed skin. Number 4. The Vitamin C Face Serum is a potent skin-brightening formula designed to tackle dark spots and signs of aging. Infused with hyaluronic acid, ferulic acid, and vitamin E, it provides a powerful blend of antioxidants and hydration that rejuvenates the skin. This serum works well for all skin types, including combination, oily, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. Its lightweight texture ensures quick absorption, making it perfect for use under moisturizers or makeup. What sets this serum apart is its ability to target 10 visible signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, skin texture, and tone. The 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, a stable and potent form of vitamin C, helps brighten and firm the skin, leaving it radiant and youthful. After 6 weeks, users report a noticeable reduction in wrinkles and dark spots. This dermatologist-tested, vegan, and cruelty-free serum is praised for its effectiveness and affordability. Users appreciate its balanced texture, neither too heavy nor too light, and the results are clear: smoother, brighter, and more even-toned skin. For anyone looking to add a high-performance, anti-aging product to their skincare routine, this vitamin C serum is a must-try. Number 3. The e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Triple Bounce Serum is a game-changer for anyone looking to boost hydration and achieve plump, dewy skin. Infused with 1.7% hyaluronic acid, squalane, and niacinamide, this serum delivers intense moisture, leaving your skin feeling fresh and supple. Its lightweight, gel-like texture absorbs quickly, making it ideal for daily use, morning and night. Designed for normal to dry skin types, this serum works wonders to replenish moisture, giving you a visibly bouncier complexion. Its hydrating properties are enhanced by vitamin B5, which helps lock in moisture and soothe the skin. Users rave about the non-sticky, smooth formula that layers well with other products, and its ability to create a radiant, dewy glow. For best results, pair it with e.l.f.'s Holy Hydration Hydrogel Moisturizer to lock in the benefits. Cruelty-free, vegan, and free from harmful toxins, this serum offers skin-loving ingredients at an affordable price point. With glowing user feedback, including smoother, foundation-free skin, this serum is a must-try for anyone seeking intense hydration and a revitalized complexion. Number 2. The COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence is a standout in the realm of Korean skincare, known for its powerful skin-rejuvenating properties. Formulated with 96.3% snail secretion filtrate, this essence deeply hydrates, repairs, and revitalizes dull, dehydrated skin. The key ingredient, mucin, promotes intense moisturization, soothing irritation and delivering moisture deep into the skin, making it ideal for all skin types, including sensitive skin. This lightweight, fast-absorbing essence provides a natural, healthy glow without leaving a heavy or sticky residue. It's perfect for daily use, both morning and night, and pairs well with moisturizers and sunscreen. Users particularly love how long the product lasts. Just a small amount covers the face, making it a cost-effective skincare staple. One notable aspect is COSRX's commitment to cruelty-free production, as no snails are harmed during the process. The product is also hypoallergenic, free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. With positive reviews from users across various age groups, including benefits like soothing irritation and improving skin texture and elasticity. This essence is a must-have for those looking to rejuvenate and hydrate their skin effectively. Number 1. Cerave Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a standout product for dry skin, offering deep hydration without the greasy feel. It contains a high concentration of hyaluronic acid, which helps retain the skin's natural moisture, making it appear more hydrated and smooth. Enriched with vitamin B5, this serum soothes the skin while providing all-day hydration, thanks to Cerave's patented MVE technology that gradually releases moisturizing ingredients. The lightweight gel texture absorbs quickly into the skin, making it perfect for layering under other skincare products like moisturizers or eye creams. Its fragrance-free formula is ideal for sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable experience without irritation. Users appreciate its non-greasy, fast-absorbing texture that feels weightless on the skin. Many have noticed an improvement in their skin's appearance and texture, reporting that it feels soft, smooth, and hydrated after regular use. The inclusion of 3 essential ceramides also helps restore and maintain the skin's protective barrier. Developed with dermatologists, this serum is suitable for a wide range of skin types and is an excellent addition to any skincare routine, offering long-lasting hydration and skin-smoothing benefits. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best face serums in 2024. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Let us know which serum you're excited to try and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.